So I want to give you a walkthrough of Bolt.new and the different things that I've been able to build on this platform over the last 6 months. I've been with Bolt really through all of the growing pains that they've been going through, and I've really found this platform is something that's really easy for someone to use. Now, when it comes to developing real applications and softwares, you can start here, but you're going to have to move this into something like a cursor to really finish the project. So the very first thing that I'm going to show you is an application that I built for the body of Christ. It's called Armor 5, and essentially what it is it gives the body of Christ the ability to put on the full armor of God every single day. It gives them scriptures, gives them scenarios, gives them the fruit of the Spirit, basically giving them insight about what it's like to essentially walk with the fruit of the Spirit on every single day. It's a very simple app. And then, of course, I was able to, with that, build and I download preview page for the actual app. And as you can see, they look pretty decent. They have animations on it. As a matter of fact, if I slot or refresh here, you'll be able to see that this does move a little, that these all move, right? They look very nice. Everything is reactive. It is smooth. It feels professional. And that's what I like about Bolt.new. Here's another website of mine. It's called Outpray, right? Where people come on here and they put prayer requests up and people can click the audio button to pray for people. And when someone does that, it sends it to their back end so they can actually listen to the prayer that people had actually prayed for that individual person. And then the next one that I want to bring up is, so this is my website for my ministry stuff right here, where I have both of my apps on there, talk about family, talk about communication, all that kind of stuff. And then, we have a toolkit, right, for the body of Christ. So lots of different things that the body of Christ can use in order to help them in their journey, in their walk, and everything else like that. So a bunch of different tools, and I use this mainly for lead generation on basically Facebook. Then here's another one that's called Persona, right? And this gives you the ability to take a picture of your pet and to get their persona. So pretty cool here. You can actually try the demo here. Let's say you have a cat, dog, right? Let's move over and then generate persona, right? You can actually tap to change this photo if you wanted to, but I'm actually going to leave that photo as is. Give me a second here. Let's go back to demo here. All right. So try demo. So we'll leave everything as is. We'll generate the persona. And then max, right? The unstoppable ball of energy, right? Pure chaos, right? It's just a fun thing for pet owners. And then they can, of course, take these and they can share these as well. So then I went ahead and built a download app store page for this as well. And you can basically see how that here, right? Looks fairly decent. So the next one is for a local business here in Alaska, right? You can just see the clarity, the cleanliness of these websites, all the different animations, everything else like that. The platform actually handles it on its own. The text, everything. There were minor tweaks, improve the font here, improve the text here, all that kind of stuff. But pretty much all I did was speak to this here and it went ahead and built this website. Another thing that I wanted was a universal remote. I wanted to build a universal remote that I can use to control my TV from my phone. So this is another app that I had to take off from Bolt.new and put into Cursor in order to really program it on an iPhone, right, to make it work on my TV. And I tell you what, as I was going through this, I was shocked at how easy this was to do, and then that it actually was working. So then what about if you're a Udemy, have a subscription for Udemy, or you have a Kajabi, you want to build courses, right? So I want to, of course, launch my own courses in the future. And instead of paying for different platforms, I want to be able to load my own courses in these platforms as well. So I don't actually have to pay for anybody else's. So this one's still being worked on, but this is something that can be built in here. My wife wanted me to build this interesting tool called Foundation Matcher, which essentially helps people find their makeup and their tone and stuff like that. So that is Bolt.new. If you guys would like to try this, I do have a link. Of course, it's an affiliate link in the bio. Again, absolutely love this website builder. I'll be covering tools just like this on here, and I'll go even more in depth, just like I have with all the other tutorials showing you actually how to build it and everything else like that. But other than that, I thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you on the next one.